Welcome again to John's Music. This time we aren't really going to do a guitar review, but this time we are showing you what we do here at our store. This what you see over here is our workshop. This is where the guitars are tested, setups are done, and even repairs are done. So this video is the reason mainly it is because there are questions like why is a guitar setup important before a guitar is dispatched? Why, if there's a brand like Fender or Cort or Kepma, all of these bigger brands, so why do you need a guitar setup if the companies have already set up the guitar? So the reason is that the guitar must have been in the box or in the warehouse for half a year, for a year or 2 years. That doesn't matter. But during this time, even if it is in the box, the setup of the guitar will change. This is due to climatic conditions. India is a very humid country by default. So this climatic conditions will affect the guitar and the setup will change. So there's nothing that the brand can do about it. This is what a store like us, for example, have to do a setup before it reaches the user. So why is this compulsory? Is because sometimes it will be when we open the box, the strings might be rusted. That's the most basic reason. Sometimes we see that the frets are rusted. So again, or sometimes it's decolored due to oxidization. We have to polish that as well. Sometimes when we open the box, the action of the guitar is very high. So the action is what the gap between your fretboard and the string. So if it's too high, it's very unplayable. So this is especially very painful for beginners. So that is what sometimes the case. Sometimes the saddle height is very tall, so we have to reduce that. So these are the aspects of a guitar setup. Sometimes even more. So we do a proper checkup. Sometimes the bracing might be not right, so we don't even dispatch the guitars. So this is the whole idea of a guitar setup, which is very important before the guitar reaches the user, before it is playable. So this also doesn't matter which brand of guitar you're buying, what is the price range. So sometimes it can be an expensive guitar which still needs a guitar setup, like we have received expensive guitars where the frets are buzzing or the strings are rusted. This can be also very entry-level guitars. This is especially important for entry-level guitars where the setup is bound to change. So I would like to show you what we do exactly in a guitar setup. Starting with a basic checkup about how the finish is there any errors in the finish. Second thing, we check whether the tuning keys are free, is it moving or no. Third thing, we check up about the frets, whether the frets are rusted, does it need polishing. So we polish the frets as well. Then there is a proper kind of fretboard conditioning. We use lemon oil most of the times. Then the most important part is where the action comes in. In this, it's a combination of the Allen key, the truss rod adjustment, and the saddle height. So we will check the Allen key regardless. We will use the Allen key on the truss rod so that we know that it is moving well, and we'll adjust the neck properly. And after that, the saddle height can also be set depending whether it's required or no. So the saddle is removed from the bridge, and then it is sanded on a sanding machine, and then it is put back, and then we tune the guitar. We check fret by fret whether it is sounding proper, and then we put it back. After all this, the guitar is packed and dispatched. Secondly, what we do here in this workshop is repairing guitars. So now, repairing guitars aren't really an easy task. It requires a lot of tools, it requires a lot of expertise. The basic adjustments can be done by every guitarist, but on an advanced level, it is a little difficult and you will need proper tools for this. So this video is just show what all we do. We basically do the one of the most frequent work in a lot of entry-level guitars is bridge repasting, where we put the bridge back on with very good glue and clamp it. Then there is cases of neck break, which is again clamped overnight, about 24 to 48 hours, and then the neck is set. The other things we do is proper guitar setups. This is the setups which is required after a year or 2 years, depending on the player. Then again, for the fret polishing, the conditioning. Then there are other couple of things like soldering the pots and electronic check and overall guitar checkups as such. So a lot of such maintenance is very much required for your guitar periodically. It will be great if you take it to a nearby trusted place to do this on a routine basis, at least once in a year, twice in a year, at least that much. So that was about our workshop. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully we do more such videos so that you can learn more about how things are done and more educational videos. So subscribe to our channel and see you again.